You've worked extremely hard to earn your Harvard degree, but you're also extremely fortunate to be sitting here today. With education, with good fortune, comes responsibility, including looking beyond your success to help others. No one accomplishes anything in life on their own. At the beginning of this ceremony, I ask you to recognize your friends and families who have supported you, and you did. But you have also received support from countless others. For example, those who pushed and encouraged you, and who may have recognized something in you that you did not recognize in yourself. Those who had confidence in you, even before you proved yourself worthy of their trust. Those who extended themselves to open doors for you. And to all of these, you can add the invisible others, those who volunteered their time to create organizations that have been central to your life, those who worked to build institutions that nurtured your capacities, talents, and ambitions, those who helped to sustain and strengthen this great university, which I hope has left its mark on each of you, and from which you now graduate. I could go on. Soon it will be your turn to extend a helping hand and to create hope and opportunity for others. We expect this of you and even more.
喜欢记得关注哦。
快手，拥抱每一种生活。